Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good. Today, we're taking a look at Sprezzabox for December 2018. And with that being said, let's get into it. And here we go. First thing out of the box is some advertisement for basic outfitters. And of course, the Sprezzabox card with everything in this month's box. And here we go. First thing out of the box is this black Sprezza necktie. Next thing up is this basic Outfitters black and gray socks. Next thing out of the box is this Executive Society metal bracelet. Next up is this 455 pocket square. And next up, last but not least, are these Frey premium dryer sheets. And there you have Sprezzabox for December 2018. And of course, I'm going to show you how to style everything in this month's Sprezzabox. We start at the shoes, a pair of brown wingtip monk straps with, of course, the black and gray socks, the black dress pants, the gray vest with, of course, the black and white pocket square, the black tie, and of course the metal bracelet. And there you have Sprezzabox for December 2018. So Sprezzabox is a monthly subscription box service at $28 a month. Now the box's value is always worth more than that $28 you pay, and for December 2018, it's no different, with this month's box having a value of $114. Not a bad bang per buck. With that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell icon. It notifies you guys when I post new videos, and I'll catch you next one. Cheers. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good. Today, we're taking a look